Okay, here's some more fun. Light blue girl is going after orange. We have blue boy. I believe that's red boy. That didn't work for you, did it? They always get a little nuts around this time. Those are cotton balls that I'm using. Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. What you see? Woof, woof, woof. That a boy. Brave. Oh, I love this. I hope you all are enjoying. Okay, he just hit his nose on the board. Oh, goodness. I shouldn't laugh, but holy cow, that was funny. And oh, they're funny. Let me see if I can get them on this angle. Pure chaos. Whoa. This is what I've been trying to show you guys, but it seems like every time the last 2 days when they figured this out, they would stop playing and look at me. Now they're getting the idea. Look at them go. Boop, 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 boop. Who's got big voices? Boop, 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 boop. Puppy, 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 puppy. Boop, 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 boop. Oh. Okay, I guess. I don't know if you saw that again, but Red punched his head into the wall again. I don't know about that. Honestly, as you can see, light blue girl can hold her own. What you see? Oh, she's got her mind on that. They don't like it when others are sleeping. Oh, goodness. Boop, 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 boop. What you doing? Boop, 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 boop. What's that? What's that? Boop, 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 boop. Oh, goodness. Boop, 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 boop. Come on. Uh-oh, I shouldn't have done that. Lexi? That one's red. Standing there looking at the sheet. Or blanket, I should say. He's pretty brave. Purple girl is the one sleeping with the pillow. Yellow girl is right next to her. And the 4 boys are the ones that are awake, and little Miss. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. We're going to start moving them into the bigger pen in the next couple days. That way they can have more room to run. Well, that's about all they have right now for Zoomy. I'll let you know when they have another one. Oh, he just noticed the cotton balls. These are cotton balls. What's he doing? What's he doing? Are those cotton balls? Boo, 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 boo. Let's see if I can get him a little jazzed up here. What you doing? Oh, you tried to put it in your mouth. Yeah, you did. You stinker. What's that? Watch. Boing. Yeah. Woof. Woof. Woo. Such a big voice. Woof. Woof.